guys! Welcome back to my channel. Wow! Wow, silaw. Today is September 21? 21 mga yun. 2 o'clock ng hapon. And, yeah, talaga pantay yung braid. Alis ako ngayon, again. And, ano ba? Hindi ko alam kung anong tatawagin ko dito. Advance birthday get together? Hindi ko alam. Pero, yeah, magkikita-kita ulit kaming friends. And, yeah, pupunta kami sa isang lugar. Pupunta kami sa La Bella daw. I don't know what that place is. Pero, yeah, susunduin nila ako ngayon. And, hindi pa ako tapos mag-makeup. And, yeah, ayaw magsalita. Not because I don't want to, pero kasi I don't really know what to say. Because, as much as I know na magbe-birthday na ako, yes, I am turning 24 this Monday. I don't know, I guess it's a little too early for this video, pero you know how your birthday isn't that special anymore? I'm not saying it in a sad way. It's just that I don't know if it's because it's Monday, pero dapat nag-makeup na ako, diba? I don't know if it's because my birthday falls on a Monday and I know na it's just the same weekday work day, or I don't know. It's not the birthday blues. I'm pretty sure it's not the birthday blues because I don't really care na 24 na ako. Oh my god, 24 na ako. I don't know. Yeah, as I said, I feel like it's a little too early for this video, pero these past few weeks, I just don't really feel like my birthday is coming up, if that makes sense. But, yeah, yeah, we'll see how this day goes. Mag-makeup na ako. I'll see you guys, when I see you. I don't know. Bye. I should be talking, pero hindi ko talaga alam kung ano sasabihin ko. Ano ba? Life update? I don't know. Besides my birthday coming up, gusto ko sanang gumawa ulit ng reaction video. Kasi nakakamiss din yun. I need to catch up on a lot of K-pop kasi ang dami ko nang di alam. Maybe, you know, I don't know, one of these days, gumawa ako ng reaction video with like 2 or 3 videos in one. 2 or 3 music videos in one video. Since nag-ahabol ako. Saan yung pakaw? Yung pakaw, ayun! Ang funny. Kasi sabi ko, magagawa ako ng reaction video one of these days. I don't know. Also, I want to make an anime vlog video. I don't know. I started this channel as a reaction video channel with, you know, a few vlogs here and there since, yun nga, mahilig ako mag-video. But since this channel has more reaction videos than vlogs, I feel like I should go back to reaction videos. And as I said, I want to make an anime video vlog. I don't know. I'm not an anime YouTuber, so I don't think I can make those analysis video, like, I don't know. Ano daw? I'm not Mother's Basement or Gigok, so I don't think I can do that kind of video. But still, if you guys follow me in real life in Instagram, you have probably seen me post Kimetsu no Yaiba for like 5 times a day. And yeah, I don't think I can stop myself if I ever make a video about Kimetsu no Yaiba. So, we'll see how it goes. Pero actually, naiisip ko na siya ng ilang linggo na if by the time season 1, hopefully may season 2, season 1 of Kimetsu no Yaiba ends, I will, I don't know, rewatch it and react to it, even though ilang beses ko na napanood yung first half ng anime. So, parang sa video na yun, I will be rewatching the entire 26 episode series with bits of information or comments that I've always wanted to film. And, yeah, I don't know, one of these days, if ever you're an anime fan and a K-pop fan like me, yeah, watch out after episode 26. So, yeah. Today, actually, susunduin ako eh. Kaya, ginagawa ko to. Wala pa sila. So, yeah, I'll see you when sinundo na nila ako. Yes, vlogger! I'm fulfilling my vlogger duties to talk to the camera about nothing. Sige. Ngalala ko yung pinamakeupan ni Uzui si Tanjiro Seitsu tsaka Inosuke. May nag-drawing ng fan art na maganda naman talaga mag-makeup si Uzui. Pero dahil magaling mag-makeup si Uzui, hindi talaga sila pumangit. Gumanda talaga sila. They were cuter. This is the fan art, okay? It's not the manga. I remember dun sa short fan art na yun. It's Japanese, so I don't really know the context. Pero based on the images, parang hindi naman talaga pangit yung makeup sa kanila. It's just that they were actually pretty after minakeupan sila ni Uzui. Pero parang they're too pretty. So parang pinangitan niya yung makeup niya dun sa tatlo para ewan ko. Basta, yeah, I'll find the fan art if I can. It's Japanese though, so it's, yeah. See, I'm still talking about Kimetsu no Yaiba. I really need to do a video about that. I also want to do recreate BTS looks with my very limited fashion sense. I have enough clothes. I do. I'm not gonna lie. I have a lot, pero I don't have a great fashion sense. It's very simple. It's a very simple fashion sense. Yeah, I would like to try that challenge. Pero, yeah. Okay na ako. I'm just gonna be... yeah. Okay, so apparently, nandito na sila. And, I will... Yeah, wait lang, nagpapanik ako. This is my outfit of the day. Charot. It's a black sweater and very short skirt. And, yeah, these shoes. So, yeah, this is me. Yeah, what up? So, yeah, imimit ko na lang sila. And, I'll see you. Bye! Sana ka? Hey!
Yay! Nakalabas ko siya ng bahay! Yay!
Matamad ako eh. Hey! Hey! Ang pinag-aaway niyo dyan? Na-awkwardan ako pag kasama kayo magsasalita na ako.
Ano naman? Vlogger ka nga. Yay! Si Tisay nakalabas sa bahay. Itim na. Sa wakas.
Ito na, sinundo na ako. Wait na, kanina nag-i-English ako. Pag mag-isa lang ako, mapa-English ako nang wala sa oras. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Yeah.
Hindi ka naman mag-Tagalog eh.
Hindi rin ako marunong magsalita eh. So, hi, Kime! Ay, hindi ko makita. Hey! Oh, sige, nag-drive ka muna. Saan tayo pupunta?
Labela.
Ano yun, Labela? Nobela?
Hotel?
Hotel?
Kaya nga, hotel naman full.
Oh, yeah, pupunta kaming Labela. Anong complete name niya? Hindi namin alam. I-google na lang natin mamaya.
Labela Resort and Garden, siguro. Gumawa ako ng sariling pangalan eh.
May sarili na kaming restaurant. Labela Garden Resort and Cafe and Island.
Island?
Labela Island.
Labela Reyes.
Yes! Diba?
Nagkaroon na ng apelyido.
Yeah, pupunta daw kaming Labela. Kung ano man complete name niya. And yeah.
Celebration!
Pre-birthday ko daw. So, yeah.
Kasi Monday birthday mo. Wala kami.
After 5 minutes, siguro.
Hindi traffic. Annyeong! Bye-bye.
Bago tayong dating. Yeah!
Welcome back!
Yeah, ay, baliktad. Chinin. Ayan na. Oh my God. Ayan na yung jade roller. Kakapanood ko lang ng video ng jade roller kung paano gamitin yung jade roller. Ayan! Tapos yung, nag-react din siya sa pauwi na ako. Di ko alam kung bakit.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Wala na! Happy birthday to you!
Iba na yan, di na yan braso.
Oo, di na yan Yay!
Di na okay lang, kunwari hiningahan mo na.
Yay!
Oh my God, buti may ganyan.
Hindi na cake pang bayan.
Hindi na yung pambansang cake. Di ba yung birthday mo, Black Forest? 2 beses na.
Yay!
Meron pa ako ng lighter doon sa kabila.
Yay! Buti na sakto ako, yay!
Galing. Pagaling.
Yay!
Hindi na yung pambansang cake, ha? Nature na nag-wish.
Ito po yung handa namin. Puro chocolate! Puro chocolate!
Walang nagkape na lang ako.
Yummers! Yay!
Uwi ko to.
Happy birthday! Oh,
So, ano na?
Ang
awkward pante.
Oh my God!
Bye, Lavella! Nyo! Ayan na yung full name mo. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Yes. Wala akong kasama. Ito si Nikki. Ito si Jem. Kami. Oh! So yeah, ayun na ang ending ng video.
Annyeong, bye-bye!
Dapat sa bahay ko to gawin eh. Basta yun, pauwi na kami and
Nunod sana ng konti.
nanonood sana kami ng...
Yes.
So dapat manonood kami ng
Konti.
The Panty Sisters.
Wala,
Pero kasi
mga tita.
mga kailangan ng
oras.
mga kailangan ng umuwi. So next time na lang. Yeah. Yun. This is my apology video. Bakit kasalanan ko? Bakit ang init? Ako lang yun. Joke lang. Sige. Mamaya ko na... Ingay ni Jem.
Tagaytay skin.
Ano sasabihin ko? Mamaya na lang sa bahay ko ako magkukwento. I guess. Yeah. See you
Bye,
there. Hi. So yeah, hi. I am back home. So yeah, ano ba? Wait lang. Ang gulo. Ano ba? So yeah, that is the end of my video. Ano ba? Actually, ano ba sasabihin ko? Yeah. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-end tong video na to. I guess it's a little bit of story time. I don't know how this video is going to end pag in-edit ko. Pero, to be honest, I didn't know about the cake. I didn't know that they were planning something. Hindi ko alam kung anong itsura ko sa video kasi hindi ko pa siya ini-edit. Obviously, kakauwi ko pa lang, guys. Diba? Yeah. Hi, Connie! Ano ba sinasabi ko? Hindi ko alam. I swear to God, I didn't know. Hindi ko pa nakikita yung footage na kinuha ni Jem. Actually, hindi... ano ba? That is the end of the day. Ano ba? Paano ko ba ikukwento? I honestly didn't know. Hindi ko alam kung anong itsura yung film ni Jem kanina with the cake. Pero I remember not expressing it on my face. Yeah, I honestly didn't. I don't know what to say kasi Hindi, ayoko maiyak. Hindi ako iiyak I will not cry. Hindi ako maiiyak. Pero kasi, parang sinabi ko na yun kanina from the beginning of this video na hindi ko feel yung birthday ko. Hindi ko feel na, I mean, alam ko na magbe-birthday ako pero alam mo yun, I just don't feel it. Parang mahirap siya i-explain. Pero, you know, it's not the birthday blues, I swear. It's just that these past few weeks, month, I think, meron akong yung nararamdaman na, I guess I would call it like a random wave of sadness, I think. I don't know. And I guess parang dinidistract ko lang yung sarili ko with work and anime, I guess. And yeah, I don't know how to correlate these two things with my birthday blues, but it's not really a birthday blue. It's just that hindi ko feel mag-birthday. I don't mind my birthday. It's just that hindi ko alam. Pero I just wanted to say thank you. I get ang weird sabihin niya. I don't know why I feel weird. Pero yeah, thank you, I guess. Kung pinapanood niyo na tong video na to. Yeah, I'm happy. Jade, kahit wala ka today, I know that you know, and I'm very thankful. Pero, yeah, alam niyo na yan. So yeah, that is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, I'll see you hopefully in the next video. Yeah. Bye!